What's up guys, I'm Austin with Copilot Vans, and in this video I'm going to give you guys a tour of this pretty cool Ford Transit you guys see behind me. So let's get into it. Alright, let's take a look at the exterior on this guy. We've got this cool aluminum light bar bumper up front, some LED off-road lights. Got a curved LED bar up top on the roof rack. Put some BF Goodrich KO2s on there. We Linexed the window panels along with the flares from Flare Space and installed a couple of Arctic Turn windows. We have our shore outlet here on the driver's side, spare tire carrier, ladder. Up top here, we've got 300 watts of solar, nice little rooftop deck, handle here for getting on and off the deck easily, safely, and a nice sturdy ladder holds our spare tire. Alright, let's take a look up front. Nice big Arctic Turn window on the passenger side. Got upgraded Apple CarPlay stereo. Nice interior. Let's take a look at the main living area. We've got butcher block counters, lagoon table, driver and passenger swivel seats, extra sturdy table base there. We've got an outlet and a USB charging plug underneath the table. Got some nice task lighting here. Nice little shelf above the table attached to this upper cabinet here. Got these really nice Euro style latches hidden underneath the door. Nice strong lift stays. It's nice and clean. Have an aluminum trim here to keep items from falling out when you open the door. Here's an inside look at the Arctic Turn window. These things are really nice. They have bug screen, blackout shade. I really like these because you can leave part of it open so you still have some privacy but allow a little bit of light to come in. Over here you can see the Galley cabinet. There's plenty of storage. Nice big drawers. Big guy at the bottom. Little mini trash can. This guy extends the countertop. Book matched that seam. Looks really nice. Above the sink here we've got a nice little task light. On front of the cabinet here we have our 42 quart fridge, freezer. Got a little freezer in there for a pint of ice cream. We have a faucet with a regular water and filtered water all built into one. You can see we have our battery monitor, heater, inverter switch, pump, lights, and an outlet on that control panel there. Nice big stainless steel sink, 1800 watt single induction cooktop, and then I'll show you guys the shower pan. That guy comes up, a nice aluminum solid shower pan there. Here's the shower fixture. Just pop open this, you have your hot and cold. Shower handle pops right out. Hose stows nicely inside the cabinet and snaps right back in. Here you can see how the shower curtain works. Just hangs from the ceiling with some weights right into the shower pan. It's attached in the four corners via these nice little twist clips. Step inside. Here's your shower nozzle. Comes right in that grommet there. And then, yeah, shower drains into the gray water tank, and that's basically it. We have a toilet. Opens up, slides out. It's just a big enough space to sit on the toilet, put your feet underneath the seat. We have a slider on this bulkhead wall. Keep your gear back there while you're driving around, especially on those bumpy roads, or if you have to stop fast, you don't have gear sliding through into the cab area. Or you've got good access to any of your gear in the back. Leave it open, keep your gear back there warm. Got another 120 and USB outlet on the wall. A remote for our Max Air vent fan on the ceiling. Got a full queen size bed. These nice little flare nooks. Thanks to Flare Space, we can sleep sideways at a full queen length. We've got some wall bag storage up above the bed. Got a his and a hers task lighting up here. These guys move around. They've got a little night light built in. Turn that on. There's also a USB charging outlet inside the lights, so you can charge some stuff while you're in the bed. Got a nice little air fan back there in the corner. Nice big storage on one side of the bed. And we have another cabinet over the galley for pantry storage, that sort of thing. On the ceiling, got a bunch of dimmable LED lights. We've got some L-track pucks in the ceiling, 6 of them, so you can hang a paddleboard or a surfboard from the ceiling if you need to transport one of those. Our Max Air vent fan, nice little insulated cover with some buttons and magnets to hold that sucker up there. Got an overhead shelf above the cab, storing some soft goods and your other window covers for the driver and passenger windows and the windshield. Alright, we've got a nice little slim LED cargo light in the garage space so you can see all your gear at night. The bed platform is all made of 80/20. It's nice and strong. We've got vent holes for the mattress, hanging ski rack. You can pretty much attach anything you want on these rails underneath the bed. These are easily removable. You can put them on the other side if you want. I don't know how long your skis are. They could stick through the opening there, or they can be moved to the opposite side in the winter when you're not using your mountain bikes or road bikes. It's underneath this hatch. We've got all of your electrical goods. Victron charge controller, Renogy 2000 watt inverter charger. We've got 2 100 amp hour paddleboard batteries, as well as a 225 amp battery isolator. You can see the compressor down there. Everything's nice and tidy, easily accessible, easily repairable, just the way I like it. And on this side, we've got 20-gallon wheel well water tank. We've got a 4-gallon isotemp hot water heater. All the valves you need to drain and winterize everything super quick and easily. In this part, we've got 2-stage filtered water or pump, plumbing, Maybe a little bit of storage there if you wanted to stow something in there. Underneath the van you can see the drain for the shower and the sink run into a 9-gallon gray water tank mounted underneath the van with aluminum mounting brackets and an access port at the bottom of the tank so that it can be cleaned easily. This box platform here also doubles as our third bed, big enough to sleep an adult comfortably. It's 78 inches long by 30 inches wide. Your feet can stick through underneath the bed here, and then head and shoulders will be up here in the cab, nice and comfy. And when you want to take it down, it's easily movable. So when you want to take it down, you just slide those cushions back, close up the top, put the cushions back on. So down below here, we have access to our breakers, fuses, cutoff switch, and our onboard air compressor. That way, if you've got gear stacked up here and your skis and things, this is easily accessible. You don't have to move gear around. And here we have a huge storage drawer. This thing is massive. Next to that, we have our bike tray on locking drawer slides. This guy is big enough for two 29er mountain bikes. On the end of the water box here, we have our water inlet, tank level indicator, outdoor shower. This guy is great for hosing off gear, taking a shower outside when the weather's nice. And then up top, we have our air compressor hose. That hose is long enough to reach all 4 tires in case you get a flat on the road, or you can easily fill up your moto tires, mountain bike tires, that sort of thing. Tool roll, shovel, and the hatchet. Everything's easily accessible and stowed nicely. Back of this thing is very well organized, easy to get to any of your gear. Top of this guy has a little cubby area. You can stow some things in here next to the bed. And then here's the inside from a different perspective. All of your cabinets. Nice, beautiful hidden latches. And it's hard to tell in the video, but there's a nice little grain texture to all the laminate. As always, thanks for checking out this van video. You can find more about us at copilotvans.com or at copilotvans on Instagram.